Today I am reviewing Lenovo LOQ 15IRX10 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo LOQ 15IRX10 gaming laptop is one of those rare devices that hits the sweet spot between raw gaming power, premium design, and unbeatable value. Built for gamers, creators, and performance enthusiasts alike, this laptop packs enough strength to handle everything, from fast-paced gaming sessions to demanding productivity tasks, with absolute smoothness and style. Let's start with performance, because that's where this laptop truly shines. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core i5-13450HX processor, which is part of Intel's 13th generation series. This is a 10-core, 16-thread CPU with a base clock of 1.8 GHz that can turbo boost all the way up to 4.6 GHz. What makes this chip impressive is how efficiently it handles both heavy gaming loads and multitasking. In fact, in many real-world tests, this i5 actually outperforms or matches older Intel i7 processors. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or rendering 3D models, this CPU is ready for it all. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 graphics card, and you get a combination that's made for the future of gaming. This GPU brings all the latest NVIDIA technologies like DLSS 3, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced rendering, giving you stunning visuals and higher frame rates without compromising on image quality. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Apex Legends run beautifully on this machine, thanks to its dedicated DDR6 video memory and optimized thermal design. To make sure everything runs buttery smooth, Lenovo has loaded this model with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, clocked at 4,800 MHz. That's lightning-fast memory, ideal for gamers who keep multiple apps open, streamers who use OBS while gaming, or professionals who edit 4K videos. And with up to 64 GB expandable memory, you can easily future-proof your setup for years to come. Storage is equally impressive. The 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD ensures rapid boot times, almost instant application launches, and quick file transfers. You'll never have to wait around for your system to catch up. Whether it's large game files or video projects, the speed and responsiveness make this laptop a joy to use. Now, let's talk about visuals. The Lenovo LOQ 15IRX10 features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits of brightness, and anti-glare coating. The high refresh rate means your games feel fluid and responsive, every movement looks sharper, and every frame transitions seamlessly. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or just enjoying cinematic single-player adventures, this screen truly enhances the experience. Plus, with 100% sRGB color accuracy, it's also great for photo and video editing. Design-wise, Lenovo has done a fantastic job. The laptop comes in a sleek gray finish, giving it a professional yet gamer-friendly look. The build feels solid, with a premium chassis that's both durable and lightweight, measuring just 0.86 inches thick. It also includes a backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad, which not only looks cool in dim light, but also makes typing and gaming comfortable even during long sessions. For connectivity, Lenovo has included everything you'd expect from a modern gaming laptop. You get a USB-C port, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, an HDMI output, RJ45 Ethernet port, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and of course, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for ultra-fast wireless performance. These ports make it easy to connect external monitors, peripherals, and gaming accessories without hassle. One small but welcome addition is the PCO Notebook Folding Radiator Laptop Cooler that comes bundled with the laptop. This external cooler helps maintain optimal thermal performance during intense gaming sessions, ensuring your system stays cool and quiet even under heavy load. It's a thoughtful inclusion that extends the laptop's life and helps maintain consistent performance. The Windows 11 Pro operating system adds another layer of value. It's not just sleek and modern, it comes with advanced security, better window management, and professional-grade tools like remote desktop and BitLocker encryption. This makes the Lenovo LOQ a fantastic choice not only for gamers but also for developers, engineers, and professionals who need reliable performance and strong system security. Audio performance is equally good. The dual speakers deliver clear, balanced sound with DTS and Dolby audio enhancements, adding more immersion to your gaming and movie-watching experience. Combine that with the 720p webcam and noise-canceling microphone, and you've got everything you need for streaming or online meetings. Overall, the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX10 is a powerhouse that balances performance, design, and value perfectly. The Intel Core i5-13450HX delivers incredible processing capability. The RTX 5050 GPU makes it gaming-ready for the latest titles. And the 32GB of DDR5 RAM with a 1TB SSD ensures smooth, fast, and efficient performance for years.